Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to try on rainbow wigs. So I have 3 different rainbow wigs and they are in different lengths. I'm very interested to see how I look with the long rainbow wigs or short. Those wigs are from Amazon. The links are in the description box. Thank you so much for sponsoring me those wigs. I can't wait to try those out. So this one, the color is a little bit darker than this one. Those two are very similar color. I will do this one first. Wow, very pretty color. Each package contains the wig cap. Oh, this one is a short one. Wow, that's super cute. Look, the color. The quality is pretty decent. So this wig has no bands. So in today's video, I'm wearing the purple outfit, especially to match those pastel. Those will work as usual. The first thing is to remove the bands. I hope this wig cap is not too tight. Look, it's pretty good. Very beautiful wig. Wow, the bands is getting very long. Why I feel like Roman hair? It's actually pretty comfortable. This is how I look in short hair. Not too bad. The wig is pretty comfortable. It's not tight and it's not loose. The wig reminds you of the Roman hair. Maybe we could tie the wig to like make a bun something. Maybe it's cuter. Let's see if this works. Yeah, you can definitely make hairstyle out of the wig. Actually, pretty easy to take care of. Yeah, that's pretty cute, right? This color in the front like that. If you have the hair bow, you can pin a hair bow. It's very cute. Take a picture. And the wig is easy to take care of. It's not easy to get tangled. Very colorful color. I usually look better with the long hair than the short hair. It's pretty smooth. It's not easy to get tangled. Wow, the wig is very smooth. If I use a comb, how smooth is that around this part? Very smooth. For the wavy hair, you can use your finger to take care of. It's very easy. It's kind of hard to wear this wig. This wig fits me better than the short ones. I mean, the wig part is more comfortable to wear than the short one. Wow, very smooth hair. You can use this wig to do any hairstyle you want. It also includes the clips. This is a clip for your wig, so it's more secure. Click this here and hide the clip, so it's more secure. So it includes 3. It also includes those clips in the short wig. Wow. The color is more like purple hair, matches my outfit. I'm very surprised at how smooth the hair, the wig is to the back. You can also tie it up, just do any hairstyles you like. You can do like that. If you tie the pigtails, it looks like a Harajuku fashion. You can also make a bun. This looks pretty cute, right? It's pretty cute, I like it. Okay, let's try the next wig. The color of this one is a lot darker. Also including the clips. Wow, this color is more like darker rainbow. This wig is more like pastel and this one is like really rainbow color. And the hairstyle is the same like the first one. Look, more pastel and this one's really rainbow. Wow, I love this idea, so your wig will not fall. Looking not bad, but this outfit doesn't match. Rainbow color. The quality is as good as the first 2 and it's pretty comfortable. I look a lot of different with this wig. Kind of like it. The quality is pretty smooth. I can comb the wig with my fingers. Look, it's pretty smooth, right? It's not easy to get tangled. So in today's video, my favorite wig is the long one. I think I look more feminine with longer hair. It's very fun to wear. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. All the links of the wig are in the description box. Check it out if you're interested. Bye, I'll see you in next video soon. Bye!